This problem says, consider the polar graph below. Give 2 sets of polar coordinates for each point. Okay, so let's start with A here. Okay, so the first thing I would like to do is just set up the angles all the way around this thing. So I know this is 90 degrees, so I think I'll keep it in terms of degrees because I think that will help you guys a little bit with these. I'll write them in black. So 90 degrees here. This is 0 degrees. And then over here is going to be 180 degrees. Down here is going to be 270 degrees, and then back around, this could also be 360 degrees. Okay, so anyway, so if you look at this, this is broken up into 3 equal pieces. So 1 here, 1 here, and 1 there. So that means each of these are going to be 30 degrees. So that's 30 degrees. This would be 60 degrees, 90, and then 120 degrees, and then 150 degrees. And I'm just going to get the rest of these degrees around. So there we go. I just want to put those around to begin with. Now, when I think of these points now, I'm going to start with point A. So I'm just going to get 2 points here. It tells me to give 2 sets of polar coordinates. So that's what I'm going to do now. So the first one is obvious. That's going to be, now remember, I'm coming out exactly 1 unit there. So that means it's going to be 1, 30 degrees. Now another one I can do is I could actually go all the way around to here and then go in the negative direction one. So that would be 210 degrees. And that would be -1, 210 degrees. So that would be another point I could do for A. Now, those are different values, but they are the same point. Okay, let's try another one now. Let's do point B here. So for point B, we could just take the positive one and go all the way around here. And that's going to be 300 degrees. And I'm going to go in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that would be 3, 300 degrees. And then another point for that would be, I could go in the negative direction and go here. That's going to be 60 degrees that way. And then out 3. So I could do 3 -60 degrees. Now both those points would be the same point. Okay, let's try another one now. Let's do point C. That's the last one here. Now if I take this around to there, that's 180 degrees. And then if I take it out this way, oops, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 3 out. So then that would be 3, 180 degrees. Now, if we're going to find another now, I could say 0 degrees. If I said 0 degrees, then that would be -3. So those are 2 sets of points for each of those. So, done.